fucking playing.
Say, what up, vlog?
What up, man? Say something to the people, man. I know you gonna watch this, bitch. Say something for yourself, man.
Dan on Instagram.
Yeah, Dan. Yeah. But yeah, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's going all the way on. You feel me? Man. They got Audi over here. Good Audi. Good vet. GLE Volkswagen. Another Volkswagen. Jen. That Z01 fucker. Vet. I ain't gotta say too much, bro. Good 345. This bitch tough. This blue hard.
I fuck with it.
That beef ain't this B5 blue?
Yeah, that's B5 blue.
But I just had to make sure, cause you know they got like a similar color that ain't. It's not frostbite either though.
Right.
It's some another. I don't know what the fuck the name of the color is.
I know what you're talking about. CJ's old shit.
No, not that one. It's another. It's like close to this. It's close to this, but it ain't like exactly it. I can't think of it for real right now. What the fuck is the name of that color I had heard? I can't think of it. But man, this a whole backyard. Huh?
That's your shit.
Hell yeah, the gray one.
Oh, yeah.
That bitch ugly right now, bro. It's got some work getting done to it, man.
We're gonna get some work, man. Look at my 300. That bitch ugly. That bitch ugly.
The 3? But you got a good, nah, that base. No, for real.
Rocking my shit right now is beautiful.
What?
I think I'm about to put my phone right now and go get them music, bro.
Man.
Business real
I ain't got no music, bro. I can't ride like that.
Nah, for sure. Put a speaker in there.
What the fuck?
Nah, I'm just talking shit.
I got music, but it's just only my bass playing. So that shit just like.
Yeah, that shit
Hear my
horrible.
fucking song.
Man.
all thumb.
Dum.
You vlogging?
We bring the vlog out. We got to now.
Let me cut this fucking live off. Bro, fuse box delete, dog. Come on, man. Gotta get the program right now.
Man. Talk to me, bro.
So look. All right. I can't take corners, right?
Type shit.
Damn.
I'm heavy as fuck.
Damn.
Shit, type shit.
And this be slow as shit. Fuck.
You win.
I gotta change the spring. And I barely look good.
Tight. Man. Whoa.
Hey, bitch, put that back down, pussy.
But man, we at the headquarters, man. Jado's, man. Y'all know what's going on. Running through his first actual meet, bruh. This, y'all can see, I ain't gotta say too much. Good fin. Like, we just finna walk through everything that's here so far. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You got a good fin. Joint look fire. The sides. All that. You got Beamer. Good info.
You just fucking inspired me to pick up the camera, guys.
Man, y'all know, bruh. Y'all know. Good V8, bruh. Good M4. What am I talking about? M8. This is a. Oh yeah, this that. YouTube, bruh. This drink stupid. Then we got the women car club pulled up, bruh. Forsaken, bruh. Shout out to them. She talking about, hey, I fuck with that plate though. Hey, who car is this? Oh, they walked in there. Damn. She got, hey, look at the plate though. That's a bad bitch in the Dodge.
No cap.
Man.
They're right.
Then you got the female version of me. That shit crazy, bruh. What? Bro, don't ever say no shit like that. Don't ever. Man. But no, good scat. Good bitch. Tough. Whatever, bruh. He did, bro. He said he's gonna beat that Z01 over there, bro. He said that Z01 slow as hell, boy. Hey, when he hopped out the whip, he hopped out the whip and said that, bro. Bro, don't disrespect the Sixer like that, bro. That's what we not gonna do. That's what we not gonna do. Niggas will pit maneuver you just to win. Dog, man. Nah, dog gotta get high with the ZL1.
One eternity later.
YouTube was going on, man. We come to y'all from your local Shell, you hear me? In the Big 5-7, you hear me? But yeah, man, we gonna get some gas now. We always start these videos with gas, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit always end up being the situation. But we finna go get this boy detailed, like real detailed. Like all this extra shit on here is coming off detailed. This peeling bad. And we on the hunt for some new rims because them look bad. But we gotta get a detail, man. This joint is filthy. Filthy. So, yeah. We on the way to go get a detail, man. Get this joint all cleaned up, get spiffied up, because the back of this joint dirty as hell. And we stopped at 68.29. We're gonna try to get 70 in that month. 68.25. Let's see what we get out of here. 50? That's cool. 68.50. Gas leaking and shit. 68.50. Got some forces on with the short, with the bleach mark, with the JBC. Trim, good trim. But yo, we back in that 5-7 thing, man. We gonna cut y'all on when we get to the shop, you hear me? Yo! YouTube, man, we done made it, boy. My dog gave me right on the detail, man. This joint getting put together. This joint right here off St. Clair. Y'all come fuck with my people, bruh. For real. AJ's car washing detailing, bruh. This motherfucker going stupid. But yeah, though, y'all come fuck with him. Cause she getting this motherfucker together. Them bitches looking at glass, no cap. That sounds like fucked up plastic up on them. Them bitches diced. I said, look at the wheels. Shit. They looking good from a distance, no cap. Boy, this motherfucker on glass. Shit. This motherfucker on straight glass. Straight glass. That boy is on glass house. This motherfucker's on glass house, man. Shit. Boy. Shit, he got that old school load. That mother look clean. But back to this drink. Glass house. This ain't nothing but a glass house. That motherfucker's on glass. Appreciate you, Big G. Shit. No, it's a 14.
It's a 14.
Hell yeah. It's the older joint, not even a new one. I bet still gonna break a neck though.
Goddamn engine in it.
A big
340.
5.7?
Yeah.
Yep, 5.7 in there. That joint nice. Stupid clean. Hey, we dirty, filthy, bruh. Big dirty. Hopefully, bruh, get me right. I'm hoping. Cause the wash on glass. But now we just need this interior done. This interior should be no problem. Outside on blizzards. This motherfucker iced and diced, you hear me? Shout out to them, bro. Showtime Auto Sales, man. They got the details and the washers, bro. I'm like, shit. They gonna got that before and that after for y'all, man. We was all spiffied up. My seats looking great. Or can't fake it. We all iced up, diced up. Iced up and diced up, boy. Stop playing. They done iced and diced me up, no cap. This motherfucker look lovely, kid. Y'all stay tuned, man. We got some more content coming for y'all, bro. Icy. This joint icy. The Mercedes S550 joint. That joint icy. But yeah, man, we about to get up out of here. This boy is done. Cooked. All done, though. Looking lovely, no cap. Y'all come check my people out, man. Showtime Auto Sales, boy. They got the detailing and the hand wash, bro. Let me show y'all what they got coming in, bro. You see this just pulled up. S550 joint. The S550 joint look crazy. Man, bro, in the garage.
Just a wash, to the garage.
That garage going stupid. So I just tap in with my people, bro. Hey, man, let me give y'all some sauce. Boom, you get this, right? Spray this shit right here. A little bit right here, and right here. Cut that on. Boy, your car gonna smell brand new. But, man, we looking brand new, I ain't gonna lie. This boy stupid clean. Dumb clean, I can't fake it. This thing dumbass clean. I can't fake it. We cruising, man. We done found a motherfucking SRT Jeep in the wild. With the homie Griff in the back, man. We looking real clean here, bro. Y'all just check me out, bro. We looking real clean here. Yeah, we got a good SRT Jeep right there in front of us, though. Good scat pack. SRT Jeep. 5.7. Sunny ass day out here in the city, so can't really complain, bro. Yeah, man, we just mobbing in the city. Too much to it. What the fuck? This shit crazy. But man, we done pulled up on the homie in the motherfucking got him in the water. Want to stay here, that motherfucker. Dude, shit. You looking good, man. Looking great. Good age. I need to figure something out. Yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. YouTube, man, that's gonna end off the vlog, man. We done got everything tight and right on this whip now. It's time to get some things different, more upgrades to it. Yeah, man. CPD behind us, fuck them. We ain't worried about them. No, I ain't gonna do that. No, man, that's gonna wrap it up for y'all today, man. Cool little vlog. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching, man. My VLC fam, appreciate y'all for watching. Good 392, good 5.7. Check out the interior. This motherfucker is clean. clean, smelling good. Yeah, man. We about to go catch y'all back on another time, man. Y'all remember, man, just keep victory lap chasing, man. Keep this shit going. This shit is all obtainable.